Isbot Thermoplastic Composites is a high-tech of automated laying and winding solutions for thermoplastic carbon fiber composites, with its core team all hailing from renowned universities in Wuhan. We have independently developed automated laying and winding equipment, which integrates robotics, Siemens CNC systems, path planning and simulation software, and specialized laying and winding tool heads, overcoming the technical challenges of fully automated laying and winding of thermoplastic composites. This technology enables precise fiber control and eliminates redundant routing. Leveraging the in-situ curing property of resins, it cuts the production cycle by 70% and supports one-step forming of complex structures. As an integrated core technology of materials, processes, and equipment, it drives weight reduction, efficiency improvement, and cost reduction in high-end manufacturing.